working, I'm vibing, I'm chilling, I'm good.
Young Bootsy.
I've been to many places, but I've never seen nobody like you, girl. Like you, girl. I've been around the world, never seen a girl like you. Get down, oh, oh, get down, oh, oh.
Hey guys, it's me, SeANA. Alright, so I'm getting ready to dye my hair using Lusty Lavender by Splat. Again, it's what I usually use for my purple hair. And right now I'm using the bleach. I'm mixing the bleach, the powder, and the developer. So yeah, do that. And yeah, make sure you follow the directions that it comes with. Don't just follow the video and all that. So anyways, I'm gonna dye this top section of my hair. I last dyed my hair red, just the ends, because the ends were still lighter from previously bleached and dyed. So I just dyed it red, and it's faded a little bit, but I wanted to kind of try to do purple again. But I'm going to dye just this top section right here, and then and also just dye the ends too. So, but yeah, I just kind of wanted to do something like, what do they call it, like a skunk, whatever. Like, I don't know, but yeah, I'm just doing this top section. I don't know, I just see people call it that. But anyways, all right, so I'm doing the bleach. I mixed it with a little bit of shampoo, so that's what I added in my hair. But that was actually like a black soap shampoo. And I was mixing that because they call it bleach bath, where you mix it with shampoo, and I guess it's supposed to make the bleach a little bit less harsh on your hair. Plus it helps, like if you already have color, it's supposed to help fade the color a little bit too, like if you're trying to like bleach the color out to do a new color or whatever. So it's supposed to do that, but it would have been better if I actually mixed the shampoo with the bleach first and then put it in. So that's how you, basically it was kind of pointless to do it that way, but yeah, that's how you should do it. So yeah, I just I got the bleach in my hair, and then I just put tinfoil over the pieces of hair and then that plastic bag. I left it on for about 20 minutes. Now I'm taking the tinfoil off, and yeah, as you can see, it didn't really fade out, so like it barely, yeah, so that's why I said it's kind of pointless. But yeah, but the top is bleached, and yeah, so I'm just taking the rest of my hair out, and I'm about to go wash the bleach out. And I wash it out with shampoo, and I always follow it with like a deep conditioner if I can, because it's bleach, so I want to keep the moisture in my hair. Okay, now I'm about to add the color, but I'm also going to add this blue, a little bit of blue envy in with the purple, so that I can make it a little bit more blue tone, because the Lusty Lavender is a little bit more like pinkish tone. And it's just that like when I use the just Lusty Lavender by itself, as it fades out, it turns pink, like bright pink, and I don't like that. So when I add a little bit of blue, it stays purple a lot longer, even as it's fading out. So, and you saw I added Vaseline around my face, around the perimeter of my hair, because that's gonna help prevent the color from staining my skin. So yes, add Vaseline on your skin to prevent staining. And then yeah, I'm just using the spatula thing to help add to put the color in my hair. And I'm just gonna make sure that all like the lighter parts of my hair are colored in the in the dye. So now I got all the color in, and usually I just put it, you know, pull it back into like a bun and then put a shower cap over it. And then I try to leave it on for somewhere between 2 and 3 hours. So yeah, I think I left this one on for like maybe 2 hours. So okay, so here is just after I washed it out, so you can see that it's really, really dark, and I mean the color came out really dark, and part of why it comes out so dark is because of adding in the blue, and that's the thing, I think I did add a little bit too much blue, so that's why I hate when I do that, because then the blue kind of like overpowers the purple, so that means, yeah, it's gonna be kind of dark for a while. But right here I'm showing like my length check, like this is the length that my hair was currently, and I wanted to show that because I did give it a trim after. And then here's later on, or the next day, I wanted to show it in the sunlight or daylight so that you can, there wasn't much sun, the sun was already going down, but you know, so yeah, since it came out dark, you're gonna be able to see it better in the daylight, but as it fades out, it will look more purple. You can see there's still parts of like reddish, some of the redness is in there a little bit, and some parts almost look like it's a little bit brown, but it's almost like on some parts the color, like, I don't know, it's like the color didn't stick as good as in some parts or something, but it's okay. I mean, I still like it. I kind of like when it's different, like toned color and stuff. But here's another day, and this is like maybe, I don't know, I think it was like a couple weeks or so, maybe a few weeks later after the color has been faded, so my hair has probably been washed a few times, so it's a little bit more faded, and this time I wanted to show it in actual sunlight where the sun was shining, so you can probably see it better, so it looks a little bit more purplish. But yeah, it has also faded a tad bit since we first dyed it. Okay, so that was me dyeing my hair purple again. I love purple. I love having purple hair, so yes. Anyway, alright, so yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe. If you're not subscribed, please comment, all that stuff. And yes, I will be back with some more videos. I do have more videos coming soon on the hair journey, the hair growth journey and all that type of stuff. So yeah, please stay tuned, and yeah, see you in another video. Bye, peace.
Young Bootsy. I've been to many places, but I've never seen nobody like you, girl. Like you, girl. I've been around the world, never seen a girl like you. Get down, oh, oh, get down, oh, oh. Baby, me go on it. Say, baby, me just go on it. Get down, oh, oh, get down, oh, oh. Baby girl, I know you know me, yeah. Say I'm balling 2-3 like Jordan, yeah. I'm from the west side, they call the best side. Come beside by my side, baby girl, let's ride. You got a body so hot, I could get fried. And what you want, girl, cause you fine die. And anything you want, girl, me I'm gon' buy. You got a big booty, see your hips don't lie. Damn, baby girl, what's up? Started from the bottom, now we on the come up. Number one in the game, mirror, oh no, yes, I guess I'm the biggest boss